Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be solving this Olympiad Mathematics question on the topic surd. So if x is equal to 7 plus 4 root 3, then x plus 1 over x is equal to dash. So we're looking for the value of x plus 1 over x. So looking at the question, x is provided, but we do not have 1 over x. So the first thing we have to do here is to look for 1 over x. So whatever we get as 1 over x, we'll add it to x to be able to get the answer or the value for this question. So now let's start. So remember, x is provided 7 plus 4 root 3, and then we need to look for 1 over x. So 1 over x should be 1 all over 7 plus 4 root 3. So judging from what we have now, the denominator needs to be rationalized. And how do we rationalize a binomial surd? Binomial surd, that's surd that has two values joined by a plus or minus sign. So here it is joined by a plus sign. So for we to rationalize this denominator, that means we need to make the denominator a rational number. So for we to rationalize this denominator, we need to look for the conjugate of this surd. So what is the conjugate of 7 plus 4 root 3? The conjugate is 7 minus 4 root 3. So now that we've known the conjugate, we have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by this conjugate. So that's when we multiply the numerator by 7 minus 4 root 3 and the denominator by the same, we're going to get a rational number at the denominator. So now let's do this. So we have times 7 minus 4 root 3 all over 7 minus 4 root 3. So for the numerator, 1 times 7 minus 4 root 3 is going to give us the same 7 minus 4 root 3. Remember, anything times 1 is that thing. 100 times 1 is 100. 2 million times 1 is 2 million. So 7 minus 4 root 3 times 1 is 7 minus 4 root 3. So now for the denominator, let's bring them together. We'll be having 7 plus 4 root 3 and then times 7 minus 4 root 3. We are joining them with brackets because brackets means times. So now we have to solve this. 7 minus 4 root 3 all over 7 times 7 is 7 squared. Then minus 4 root 3 times minus 4 root 3. So plus times minus is minus. Plus times minus is minus. Then 4 root 3 times 4 root 3 is going to give us 4 square and then root 3 square. This is the best way to expand surd because even if I say we should do 7 times minus 4 root 3, we'll get minus 28 root 3. And if I do 4 root 3 times 7, it's going to give us plus 28 root 3. So minus 28 root 3 plus 28 root 3 is equal to what? 0. So we're having 0 at the middle here, so which is actually the same. Instead of having 0 at the middle here, we can actually just use the first method I did, that is multiply the first number here with this first number, then multiply the second number by second number. This is because of the difference of two squares we have there. That is the different sign, plus and minus. So now let's progress with what we are actually solving. So this is equal to, for the numerator, 7 minus 4 root 3 all over, for the denominator, 7 square is going to give us 49. So 49 minus 4 square is 16 times roots cancel square. That square roots cancel square, then we'll have our 3 left there. So which is equal to 7 minus 4 root 3 all over 49 minus 16 times 3 is 48. So our final answer here is 7 minus 4 root 3 all over 1, because 49 minus 48 is equal to 1. And you know, anything over 1 should be that same thing. So our final answer here is equal to 7 minus 4 root 3. So now that we've gotten 1 over x, 1 over x. So 1 over x, the value for 1 over x is 7 minus 4 root 3. So we can decide to erase this part. So we can just have our 1 over x there. So for 1 over x, we got 7 minus 4 root 3. 7 minus 4 root 3. So now that I've gotten the value for 1 over x, so therefore x plus 1 over x is equal to, the value for x from the question is 7 plus 4 root 3. Then we have plus 1 over x plus, what do we have now as 1 over x? 7 minus 4 root 3. So now what we have to do, we have to simplify this, collect like term. So number to number, surd to surd. This is it, number to number, and then surd to surd. We have to collect like term. So 7 plus 7 plus 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3. 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3 is 0. So we are left with 7 plus 7, which is equal to 14. So therefore, the value for x plus 1 over x is equal to 14. This is the answer for this question. Thank you for watching. See you in my next class. Bye.